ki pulit ka anti narcotics task force jong East Khas Hills hadien bikilala man khang ke jing penpoi u drugs na ki artli ki surok ba panya so bat ka jila Manipur ki pulit ki lapan abshrib ru saha ka surok Guwahati Shillong namar ka jing yo jing tep baya uneu jing di pen buat lasdang ban penpoi shikani ganong ba lengba ka te surok ha ka te jing pen abshrib ba ki pulit ka anti narcotic task force man ha ka artrik unailur ki leyo ban kurup bat kemno ru hadu shpongut ki breu ba kuntup ru ki khasi ki badan kti ban khayi drugs ban nakiti ki breu ki pulit ki layo ban kemru yu drugs heroin ba kilo tam bat ubla shongdor palat san klur ayai haba kren bat kilat pakai kubuan menta ka sautrik unailur ka superintendent of police ka kong Claudia Lingwa kalong ba ka thong jong ka tanat pulit kalong ban kedia bet ya ubodlum ki nong khayi drugs ba he namar kam dan jing mentoy ban shu kem tangi ki nong di ne ki nong de ki baret kalai thu ba kane ka jing yo kem menta ka kanti ka de ka ba he do ha ka jing ya kon ki pulit ban pendu jaj yo neu jing di.
Again we have busted a huge group of drug suppliers, but the detail will be given by Mr. Jappal Dhanwar, and here the reason for this conference is because the fact that we have managed to block the entire route from Manipur to Shillong. See, there are two vehicle routes for vehicles that come out of Manipur. One is the route that comes via Jiribam and comes to Shillong, and the other is of course a normal bus route from Imphal via the Dimapur goes to Guwahati. So now in this particular seizure, which the team had to actually move from one place to another, entire consignment has come out from Guwahati. So we were doing this line, now they have tried to shift their route to this line, but since we have been so alerted and the idea is to stop the flow as much as possible, this team has really worked night and day to ensure that we manage to get the maximum of whatever consignment that we have gotten. So details, Jaffar will give you the details.
On the second morning, around 8:30 a.m., we got one information from our source that one guy named Alberto Rapla is coming from Guwahati with 40 soap boxes of heroin. So the information was that 40 soap boxes are coming, so we put up a naka at the viewpoint. Then because our information was specific, so we could ID the person who was the one who was carrying, but unfortunately there was no drugs which were found in his car. So we sort of interrogated him on the spot and tried to go through his phone, and we could see very incriminating text messages and calls. There was one person who was on our radar already, and there was one case pending against him. His name is, first name I remember, Mr. Sashi. He's from Manipur. So we saw that this guy is in direct connect with Mr. Sashi, and there were exchange of texts which were very incriminating. So finally we, through our tactics, we were successful in, prodding him to take us to Guwahati. From where did he get the stuff? As a matter of fact, this boy, Alberto Raplan, he himself is a drug addict, and it was a very risky thing to take a drug addict outside your state, because suffering can start any moment. It might backfire on us also, but we took that calculated risk in the interest of justice. So when we took him to Guwahati, he took us to one place, Beltola. We obviously legally we informed the Guwahati police, that local police station made GD entry and everything, and one local sub-inspector also accompanied us to the spot. So then we conducted search at house of one person whose name is Abhidas. Sashi, whenever he comes to Guwahati, he used to stay at house of Abhidas, who it appears is close business associate of Sashi. Now when I say close business associate, it is not a normal business, because both of them are not drug addicts. Both of them are actually sellers. Hardcore sellers, hardcore businessmen. So then when we searched the house, they had meticulously hidden the stuff inside the body of the inverter. So we could find approximately 124 grams from the body of the inverter, and Sashi also accepted the fact that Alberto had picked up 40 soap boxes from him on the morning of 2nd. So then we further interrogated Sashi. So he told us that this stuff has actually come from Nagaland, and there are 3 persons who have come from Nagaland with this stuff, and they were residing in a hotel nearby. So we went to that hotel, we conducted the raid. Since they had already given Sashi all the stuff, they came with 70 soap boxes, those guys from Nagaland. 40 were given to Alberto by Sashi, 20 were given to another dealer in Barpeta, whom we did not follow because that is not our jurisdiction. Then the third, those around 10-12 soap boxes, those were found inside the house of Abhidas, right? So that is the one portion, those 70 soap boxes, this is how they were accounted. Also, since we could not find anything, but we know the causal link between them, so we arrested them, and we also seized the vehicle which was used to bring those drugs to Guwahati, and subsequently those drugs finally landed in Shillong. Then Sashi also gave us input about another lady who had come from Manipur. Her name is Gracie, and she was also living in a lodge. So we went to lodge, and as a matter of fact, ma'am, it took us 2 hours to find the particular lodge. Why? Because he told us that in this area he has seen her. So when we raided the room of Gracie, we were able to recover whooping 694 grams of heroin in 59 soap boxes. Then after that, it takes a lot of time for NDPS procedures and all. So we could only reach back Shillong on the morning of 3rd at 7 a.m. Then, obviously boys were very tired, everybody, our investigating officer also. So then, we went for sleep, and then we got up and we resumed our raid yesterday evening. So we had source input that, okay, those 40 soap boxes we could not find, but now it was confirmed that they were bought from Guwahati, that Alberto only got them. Then there must be his accomplices. So we started grilling Alberto, and we had our sources on the ground. So finally we had to go to 3 different houses, and 5 different people were interrogated, and in the middle of night, around 1:30 p.m, we finally found 24 soap boxes at Lyco, at house of one person. So the long story short, the quantity was 277 grams approximately.
No, we will give them the full amount.
Yes, the full amount of quantity which is recovered from this raid is 1195 grams.